Imagine escaping the worst night of your life, only to discover that starting over doesn't mean escaping the past. That's the hook of Find Me by Ashley N. Rostek, the first book in the WITSEC series. After her family is murdered by a relentless stalker, our heroine survives and disappears under a new identity. With her uncle helping her rebuild, she has something she thought she'd never have again: safety. A new home, a chance at school, and maybe even a future. Then there are the four brothers next door: Colt, Creed, Keelan, and Knox. They're protective, intense, and impossible to ignore. As she lets them into her life, the story becomes more than a romance. It's about trust, healing, fear, and finding people who make you believe you can feel safe again. But the danger hasn't disappeared. Someone from her past is still looking for her, and every moment of happiness comes with the question: how long can her life stay hidden? If you love dark romance, romantic suspense, protective heroes, reverse-harem romance, and charged stories, Find Me delivers that addictive combination of danger and desire. And the audiobook adds a layer. Narrator Ingrid Greene brings characters, tension, vulnerability, and chemistry to life, making the story easy to follow while you're driving, walking, or relaxing. If you're looking for a romance that keeps you emotionally invested and wondering what happens next, this is one you'll want to hear. Check the link in the description and start your audiobook trial. The story and audiobook details are based on published listings for Find Me, including its WITSEC #1 status and Ingrid Greene's narration.